Hi, Dr. Liz here again. This is the last week I'll come to you from my lab. Back to my office next week. Gotta go get some work done. Before we start into week 7, let's go back to my question at the end of week 6 video. Did you figure out the only letter in our alphabet that's missing from the periodic table? It's the letter J. With that, welcome to week 7 and chapter 9 of general chemistry. As you know, this week we'll be looking then at periodic trends based on electronic structure. Also, we're going to look at how atoms bond, whether it's an ionic, covalent, or metallic bond. And that gives us the power of predicting a lot of chemical behavior. Drawing Lewis structures will be introduced, which looks at how electrons are arranged between atoms to form compounds and molecules. This topic also explains why snowflakes take the beautiful shapes that they do. You have a multiple choice 10-question homework as usual to complete for chapter 9, as well as 2 discussion forums where you have to make main posts and then reply to others. Remember that main post is due by Sunday night. You also have a lab, and this week's lab is titled Cations and Anions Reaction Lab. Reactions between cations and anions will be examined, and the resulting precipitate is indicative of the reaction that has occurred. To start, as always, be sure you watch my introductory video for the lab and use the sample lab report from week 1 as your template for accurately completing a lab report. Try to keep your head up. We're almost to the finish line. I leave you this week with an interesting fact. Did you know there's about 1/2 a pound or 250 grams of salt, that's sodium chloride, in the average human body? Wow, that's amazing. That's it. Have a great week, and I'll see you in week 8.